So you want to make money online in 2020? If so, watch this. What's up, guys? It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and in this video, I'm going to actually talk about, actually share some really good advice. I ain't gonna lie, this is good. If you're, going into the new year or you just starting a new year, whatever. Really, this applies for any time period, to be honest with you. But what I learned from messing with, making money online for like well over 10 years, um, like 12 years actually. But if I could go back, because I'm involved in a lot of stuff, I ain't gonna lie. I stay busy, I stay researching, and I've hopped around up to a lot of stuff over the years. But one thing that if I was like starting all over, and I'm trying to even do now, basically, but focus on really one thing when you first get started, just to get that flow going of making money online. Once you feel it and you see that first commission or that first referral or whatever, it will motivate you to do more, and then it'll make you a believer. But a lot of people go wrong because they wake up one day like, yo, I want to make money online. Like, I'm gonna search all these things, and once you start searching, especially now, you can spend 20 years just researching money making opportunities. Like, you can literally just wake up and do that all day, make no money, and just read about all of these work from home jobs, money making opportunities, side hustles, extra income, passive income, residual, affiliate marketing, network marketing, drop shipping, eBay, Craigslist, Facebook, like you name it. You could just sit there all day, like, right? You can do that, but you need to pick something that interests you, that you see other people doing, that you really believe in, and zone in on it and go hard with it. Like, go hard with it. And then you could always branch out and stuff. But, and I will say, at least maybe you could be doing something else, but have that one main thing that you're focusing on. So if you're doing affiliate marketing and you find a product, say dog training, you're in the dog training niche and you find a product or whatever, promote that product hard. And what I'm saying is, it's only one product, but then try to promote it in different. You can use more than one method to promote, what you're trying to do. But focus in on the dog training niche. If it's a course, if you're building an email list or whatever you're doing, focus in on that. Um, this is another thing, but you can't make a lot of money doing this. But like, say for example, you're like, I just want to do paid surveys. Like, I really like this, right? Then do that, and you might only make a couple $100 extra a month, but that's the one thing you focus on. And every day you take 2 hours a day, and you got all these survey sites that you with, and you just do surveys for 2 hours a day, 5 days a week. Then that's your thing, that's your money maker for the year. Like, that's what you do, and then you can branch out, whatever. um but just focus in on one or two, maybe two things, but really one. Affiliate marketing, if that's what you're doing, get the products that you want to promote and do affiliate marketing. Go in on one or two products, one niche, focus on it. If it's YouTube, go in on YouTube, learn YouTube inside and out. Like, watch a few videos every day on what's going on with YouTube, and then get to doing YouTube. You know what I mean? If you're into network marketing, same concept. Like, put all of it into, like, I would put like 85% of your effort into that one thing, and then maybe 15% on like something else that's maybe your another side hustle, or eBay, or whatever. Because trust me, it is so easy to get spread thin, especially nowadays, because there's so many opportunities. Very easy to get spread thin. So focus on one thing, guys. And if you've been watching my channel, you would know, like, I offer, or I'm involved in, different money making opportunities that actually cover every base. So if you want that, you know, network marketing opportunity, a solid company, you want to check out Genesity, right? Which is link is below, of course, right? You could join my team, and that's more of a home business opportunity. Build a team, promote products, and get commissions and multiple streams of income, right? Then, if you're more into, just you just want a product to promote, like you want to just get one product and just run with it, you want to check out the automated cash app system, which is basically $27 one-time fee, and you get a resale rights, and you get the course that shows you how to make money from apps. All right, so you can get that, and you could just run with that straight affiliate marketing. Get 100% commissions. Like that could be your thing. Also, Kindle, which is, if you're familiar, I'd sell Kindle books, right, on Amazon. I have a course called, it's not my course, but I always recommend it because that's the course that I used to make money online. That course taught me how to sell books on Amazon. It's called K Money Mastery. Usually that course, I believe, is anywhere between $67 or $97, but either one is definitely worth it because it teaches you how to build a Kindle business, right? So think about what business can you start for $97, like a home, like big business, right? So like those are three options right there those have been my staples of when people ask me what am I doing or what can I do. Those are pretty much my staples. Of course you could do like offline clients and stuff like that, but just getting going and stuff like that, looking at on things that you can just zone in on. Genesity, which is that network marketing, the automated cash app, which is a simple system. You can just promote the crap out of that and just earn commissions, you know what I mean, like over and over again. And then you can jump into the Kindle game, which the Kindle book game is getting bigger and bigger, no joke. Like it's crazy, like the money people are making on there. But so those are some options if you're watching this video and you need something to jump into. But if you do jump into whatever, focus in on it, like go hard. If you're doing the cash app program, learn the stuff in that course and use it on a daily basis. Do the techniques, get those commissions, you know what I mean, and just don't stop, and you can make that money in the upcoming year and the years after that. That's how you do it. All right, so hopefully this video, now I know this video helped you out. All right, be sure to comment, give it a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe to that channel, hit that notification because I'm dropping content almost every day. Peace.
Hey, thanks for watching this video. I just got 3 quick questions for you. 1, if you had the opportunity to make a passive income month after month, would you? 2, if you can work whenever you want, from wherever you want, would you? And the third question is, if you could have your own business in a billion-dollar industry, would you? If you answered yes to any of these questions, click the link in the description, and I'll talk to you soon.